we need the rainfall across southwest Florida. And on the radar this morning, we're not seeing much. And later on today, we'll see a 20 to 30% chance of a fast moving shower. We've been watching a couple dissipate here along Alligator Alley in Broward County as they moved into Collier. They have all but dissipated here this morning as they approach Naples. It's dry from Collier County all the way through Lee and Charlotte counties, as a matter of fact, as the radar sweeps around quiet for our inland communities of Palmdale and LaBelle as well. 73 right now out at RSW with the humidity at 90%. Sunrise time coming up at 7:20. Punta Gorda checking in at 70 with 100% humidity. As you plan your day, we'll be up around 90 degrees later on this afternoon. It will be a little breezy. The winds out of the east near 15 miles per hour could gust in the low 20s once again this afternoon. And that's really the story. The breezy conditions all across the state and in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. That dry air is still parked across the state, and that's going to keep our rain chances pretty low here for a bit. Now, to kind of recap September, looking at Fort Myers for the month, our average temperature was 83.6 degrees. That was the fourth warmest on record, and part of the reason it was the fourth driest. Only 2.86 inches of rainfall as we are behind over 5 inches going back from September 1st. So to kind of look at the monthly stats, there it is, 5.45 behind for the month of September. We added to that yesterday, and that temperature difference, we were up 1.2 degrees. And as we look ahead through the predictor model, not much anticipated this afternoon. Most of the shower activity will be south of I-75. But for tomorrow, a little bit more moisture creeps in, so we'll bump the rain chance up near 40% as we head through the late parts of the week. Quick check of the tropics this morning as we're still watching Hurricane Lorenzo. This one racing across the northeastern Atlantic and eventually impacting areas along Ireland, Scotland, and eventually a remnant low here towards Belgium and the Netherlands early in the weekend. National Hurricane Center watching 2 areas. This one not anticipating much at all as the development chance is near 0. But this one moving towards the Yucatan has about a 20% chance of developing over the next 5 days. That's what's responsible for throwing some of that moisture through the southern parts of the state this morning. As we look at the 7-day forecast, 40 to 50% chance of a shower, maybe even isolated thunderstorm as we wrap up the work week. And then looking ahead towards the weekend, the breeze kicks back in as we roll through Sunday. High temperatures will be near average at 89 degrees.